In this video, we're going to take a look at SlidesMania Templates for PowerPoint and Google Slides. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Welcome back to iTech On Demand. We are looking at SlidesMania.com, and I want you to take a look at the amazing free templates that they have for PowerPoint as well as Google Slides that you can use in the classroom as a teacher and as a student. Now, these templates can be edited to fit your needs, and we're going to start by looking at the categories across the top. You can select all templates, or you can search by topic, whether it's education, formal, fun, simple, professional, popular, or whatever it is, you can search by category. So let's take a look at some of these templates. I'm going to first start by just selecting all templates, and I'm going to scroll down and show you some of the amazing templates that they have offered here on SlidesMania for free. Okay, and look at these amazing templates, right? And notice here that you can go all the way through 21 pages just for this category that I'm in. Also, they show you popular templates as well. So these are some of the popular ones that have been downloaded recently. I'm going to go ahead and select page 2. Notice that they also have templates related to particular holidays, particular topics, subjects, back to school, all sorts of things that can be used for you in the classroom. Now, if I hover over education, notice there are education bundles, interactive templates, notebook style templates, manipulatives, games, choice boards, even weekly planners and yearly planners. I'm going to select morning meeting layouts. Now I'm going to scroll down and find one that I actually want to click on, and I want to show you how you can open this in either PowerPoint or Google Slides. Here's one that's called Interactive Lesson Planner Template. I'm going to select this one. All right, so here you can see a better preview of what this looks like, what the template looks like. I'm going to scroll down. There's also a video that you can watch that shows you what this template looks like. As you can see, you can provide a lesson overview with the week number, objectives, materials that you need for the class, and resources, and so forth and so on. I'm going to keep scrolling down. You can actually click on the arrows to see the other slides, and this is just an awesome template here. There we go. Now underneath this, you're going to see buttons where you can download this as a PowerPoint, or you can open it in Google Slides. I like to use Google Slides, so let's open this in Google Slides. In the top right corner, you should see Use Template, so you can click on that button. Now that you have opened this in Google Slides, you are the owner. Therefore, you can go through and you can edit all of the text on each slide. So this is slide 1, the lesson overview. Slide 2, you can go in and edit the text however you want. So if you don't want these to say lesson 1.1, you can change it to whatever titles you want. Here is where you can put the actual content for a lesson. So this is slide 3. You can go in and edit that. Slide 4, same thing. Of course, you can add pictures. There are also some templates where you can add videos. So I'll click down to one of the videos. There you are. So there are just so many things that you can do once you own these templates. And again, this is absolutely free for students and for teachers. Okay, so if you guys are enjoying the content on my channel, go ahead and support the channel, like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you know every time iTech On Demand posts a new video. Thanks for watching.